Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some great fuel efficiency as well, and coming with a new look inside and out. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, we have seating for three spaciously and comfortably. Seats can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have two fold-out cup holders with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. And this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat and power adjustable pedals. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 info, your eco coach, auto start stop status, radio, and fuel economy. And you can also exit out of that and go into your truck info. You can look at your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, and seat belts. And also look at your towing information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. We also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left side of the steering wheel, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screens, you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, your favorite screen for all of your features in your infotainment screen for ease of access, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see all around your truck and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch views so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again with the front and 360, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. Moving down from that, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. To the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector. So it's going to yell at me, but you have normal, tow haul, eco, and sport mode. And then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then on the right side, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as this button here to open the compartment above your glove box for more storage. Then moving down from your climate controls, you have another 12-volt with a USB and USB-C and a shelf here where you can put your device while it's charging or whatever else you want. Then moving on to your column shifter, which does have select shift so you can manually shift through your gears. And then finally onto your center console, where you have two cup holders and a compartment / armrest here, which is pretty spacious. But then this lifts up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And then underneath that, you actually have another lockable compartment, which I just dropped, for even more storage, so that's always nice. But then last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. That should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.